Welcome. Today I am with Huawei MatePad 10.4 and the Huawei AM61 wireless headphones, and I will show you how you can connect these two devices through Bluetooth. So at the first, you have to be sure that your AM61 are turned off. As you can see, you can spot it by looking on the indicator, it's not blinking. So you have to click and hold this middle button. Let's make it. And when this indicator starts blinking on the red and the blue color, you have to release that key right now. And it means that they are in the pairing mode. So just put them back and move to the boot settings on our MatePad. Tap on the switcher. As you can see, there we got our Huawei AM61. So we have to tap on them to connect. Click pair. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are connected. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.